Hey, welcome to Commercial Finance Experts Academy. My name is Su Trung. Today I figure I want to answer a question one of the members that are online and YouTube asked me about regarding specialization, whether they should go full out and go into mortgage brokering or do part-time mortgage broking and part-time whatever they're doing in their work. That's a tough question to ask, right? There's two reasons for why I say it's tough. One, mainly for financially, does that make sense financially? If, for example, if in your situation, you're not financially possible to go full out, meaning that you have so much expenses that you currently don't have anything, and secondly, your network of friends and families or your center of influence is not enough to provide you for a steady stream of income right away or immediate cash flow, so that may be an issue. So the first, I'll answer the first part. So if I were you and my center of influence is quite good, I know a lot of people. I come from a background where there are people who already know me, say I'm in a related field or not related field, but I have a large following of potential clients I can access right now, or I can call up and say, hey, you need help with financing, come see me. Then that's not an issue. And if I have, say, for example, line of credit that I have available and it's a great safety net for the worst case scenario happen, then it's great. I can fall back on that on a temporary time frame while my marketing is picking up, and then I be able to get intake in clients, right? So that's one way to look at it. The other way is, if it's financially feasible, I would recommend going full out. And here's the reason why. I'm certain you hear about it all the time, jack of all trade, master of none. You got it, zero. So if you're a jack of all trade, meaning that, I'm a realtor, I'm a mortgage broker, I'm a part-time nurse, I sell photocopy machines part-time. As a matter of fact, I know somebody exactly like this, and they're totally stressed out. They are stressed out by far more than anybody I know of because they overwork themselves. They have no family life, no social life, and no commitment to clients. So the three things are no-nos, right? For me, it's always like, if my client needs me and I need to dedicate my time to my client, then they come first. And then what happens? I have no time for my family. That's not good either, right? So I would say be careful and really consider all the variables. I don't know your current situation, my friend Gabriel there. It's just that my situation was quite unique. When I left the banking world, I just went full gangbuster and went straight into mortgage broking because I knew I'm capable of. I have a line of credit set up for my safety net, so I'm well taken care of. I have enough money for marketing for the next 6 months or so, and even beyond that if I have to. So I know my ability to get clients is not a problem. I'm highly confident of my skill set, and that was an issue. And secondly, I fully believe that if I invest in my time into a dedicated niche, into a full-time as a mortgage broker, I can say to them, I am fully dedicated, invested into this industry and full-time doing what I'm doing. I'm not dabbling it. When's the last time you go to an expert and ask them, I need to, for a doctor, for example, I go to a specialist for a reason because they full-time, the expertise at it, right? If I go up to a doctor, hey doctor, can you, when do you have available time to diagnose me? He says, oh, I don't know, I got a part-time doing this as carpentry work, and I got a part-time doing, some dentistry or massage during my daytime. So it all depends. I'll fit you in. How would you feel about that? I would not want that doctor, right? Definitely no way, Jose. But as far as things go, specialization is awesome. And I specialize even a further niche in commercial financing, and all brokers in the industry know me, and they come and see me and access me, tap me for my expertise because I am really good at what I do. And my narrow expertise, just like any doctor, all the general practitioner sends to the neurosurgeon because he's great as a brain doctor, brain surgery, right? They don't do it at the medical offices mainly because that's not the expertise, right? So they refer all the people out that they need certain expertise help with, and that's why I'm really good at it, and I get referrals, and not just from the industry itself of clients outside, word of mouth, but even people inside our industry, right? Which is really cool. It's just the same thing that a general doctor would refer to the surgeon because of that. I'll give you another take. I'm going to grab some pizza here, right? And, you know, Panagop is one of those nice places to have pizzas. They have so many selection of pizzas in there that is unheard of. I mean, 20 years ago, we wouldn't have these kind of things. I'll show you in a minute. But across the street, there's a Fountain Tire, and all they do is specialize in tires. All right? They don't specialize in, say, glass. You don't go there to buy glasses for your car. You don't go there to buy cushions for your car. They specialize in tires. That's what they do at best, right? So if you go to a place like Panagopoulos, and you'd be bewildered about what's on the menu. I mean, look at this. Check out the menu these guys have. I mean, when's the last time you got chipotle chicken? You got your sub beef, and oh man, there's so many shrimp and so on and so forth. I'll be right back, but I just want to talk to my friends about this. You know, there is so much stuff here. The reason why people go to certain place like this instead of a corner store or Save on Food 7-Eleven to buy pizza, because they know they're not going to get the real good stuff. They have to go to a place like this, right, to get the really good stuff and choice of what you want on your pizza. So anyway, long story short, hopefully it'll answer your questions that you have there, and you can decide for yourself which makes sense, right? I truly believe that when you go to war, I treat business like going to war, right? I burn my ship behind me, just as the conquistadors did, to win the battle. There's no way. If the ship is ready for me to take off, to retreat, I'm taking a ship, right? So your clients don't want you to take the ship. They want you to be on land, fight for them, tooth and nail all the way. That's why I do what I do, and why I'm an expert at what I do, right? So to answer your question, consider it, and go from there. Your situation might be different than mine. So hopefully you learned something today. When I see you in the next video, okay? Take care. Have yourself a good night. It's a good day if you're where you are listening this time during the day. You like the video? Hit like. Have questions? Comment below, and who knows? I may answer your question on the next one. Take care. Have a good one. Bye bye.